Can carbon fiber be polished? Let's find out. So today we got this Dodge Charger in the shop today, and right away we noticed that it does have a carbon fiber hood. The carbon fiber hood has a lot of oxidation, it has a lot of fading, it has a lot of cloudiness, and that's because they're not properly taking care of the carbon fiber or adding protection on the carbon fiber, so that's why this occurs. Now, I'm gonna show you the proper way of how to restore your carbon fiber by using two products with our cut and polish. Let's get to it. And if you wait to the end, I will show you how to protect it. So the most important part, what you wanna do is prep the car. I already washed and clayed the car, so make sure you guys are doing that first before you do anything else. So we're gonna be using our cutting compound because I wanna make sure we cut in through it, removing the oxidation, removing the little light scratches and swirls that the car has, and then we're gonna follow up with our polish. Our polish is gonna enhance the shine and give you a nice deep shine. Now, let's move on to the car. So now I know what I'm working with, I went ahead and pulled out my 15DA, and I'm gonna go ahead and team this up with our orange cutting pad with our integral cutting compound. What you wanna do is put about 4 drops and go ahead and blotch the surface with the cutting compound. Then you're gonna put it on low speed and spread the product. Now let's turn this baby up. So it's very important that you're working in a small section at a time. You wanna make sure you're going up and down and side to side. So now that I'm done cutting, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my microfiber towel and inspect the section. Let's do one more pass. Just remember, sometimes you may need more than one pass. Now right away, you can notice right away the part that I did cut and the part that I didn't cut. If you notice, the oxidation is still there and the oxidation's gone here. So now that you saw the results there, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the hood, but I am gonna leave a 50-50 so you guys can see the difference. You know, it's like dancing, I'm like. Now that we're done polishing, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our protection, which is gonna be Jet Seal. Jet Seal is gonna give you 12 months protection, and it's also gonna make the surface very hydrophobic. And We're gonna go ahead and team this up with our microfiber applicator. We're gonna put a couple drops on it. Let me show you how. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put a couple drops on your microfiber applicator. Let's put 6 drops. Blotch it onto a surface. And all you're gonna do is go back and forth and side to side. So we're gonna go ahead and let jet seal sit about 5 to 10 minutes so it can properly bond to the surface. And after the 10 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and grab your premium microfiber towel and buff it off. And the answer is yes, you could polish your carbon fiber hood. We went from oxidized hood to look at these results. And if you like this video, make sure you follow and subscribe. My name is Quicks. It was a pleasure teaching you guys today. We'll see you on the next one. That's good.